Do you want to learn English fast and finally speak with confidence? Good! Because today, you'll learn exactly how to do it in the smartest and most natural way possible. Most people try to learn English by memorizing grammar rules, studying hundreds of words, and waiting until they feel ready. But that never works. You don't learn a language by waiting. You learn it by using it. The first thing you need is the right mindset. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Every single time you use English, you're improving, even if you make mistakes. So stop being afraid of errors. Mistakes are proof that you're learning something new. You can start by making English a natural part of your day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. Say things like, I'm making breakfast, I'm going to the shop, or I'm watching this video. It might feel strange at first, but this trains your brain to think in English instead of translating from your language. Next, listen as much as possible. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, anything you like. The more you hear English, the more your brain starts recognizing the rhythm, sound, and natural flow of the language. Don't just listen once, repeat it. Replay short clips, copy how people speak, and notice how they connect words. This brings us to one of the most powerful methods, shadowing. It's simple but very effective. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say at the same time, like an echo. Focus on their tone, their speed, and their emotion. 10 minutes of shadowing every day can change your fluency completely. Now let's talk about speaking. Many learners wait months or years before they actually start speaking English, but that's the biggest mistake. You must speak from day one, even if you only know a few words. Talk to yourself, talk to a friend, record short videos, or use language exchange apps. When you speak, you activate your learning. The more you speak, the faster you'll improve. Vocabulary is also important, but don't try to memorize long lists. Instead, learn in context. Every time you hear or read a new word, use it in a real sentence. For example, if you learn the word achievement, say, finishing this video is my small achievement for today. Using words in sentences helps your brain store them naturally. Remember, reading and listening give you input, but speaking and writing give you output. You need both. Imagine your brain as a sponge. If you only absorb but never squeeze, it gets full. Speaking and writing are the squeeze that makes space for more learning. To learn English fast, you must also make it enjoyable. Don't study from boring textbooks all the time. Watch movies with subtitles. Listen to songs and sing along. Follow YouTube channels that you enjoy. When you connect English to fun and emotion, your brain learns faster and remembers longer. Set small weekly goals. For example, this week you can focus on learning 10 new words and using them in conversation. Next week, you can focus on improving pronunciation. Small, clear goals keep you motivated and make the process easier to manage. And most importantly, be consistent. Even 15 minutes a day is powerful if you do it every single day. It's not about how much time you study, it's about how often you practice. Let's summarize everything quickly. Use English every day, not just in class. Listen more than you read. Speak from the very beginning. Shadow native speakers. Learn words in real sentences and enjoy the process. Fluency doesn't come from magic. It comes from small steps taken regularly. So start today, because every word you speak brings you one step closer to your goal. You can do this. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and make English part of your life. Your fluency journey starts right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to English Fluency Hub for more powerful tips to help you speak English confidently and naturally. See you in the next video, and remember, small steps lead to big results.